Recognition Day is the culmination of all hard work. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to St. Francis National High School Senior High Virtual Honors Assembly. The following are the awardees. For the academic track, General Academic Strand under the supervision of Ms. Giselle A. Santiago. The following are the awardees. In behalf of senior high school faculty, we want to express our deepest congratulations. Before ending this culminating activity, let me leave this simple yet meaningful quotation. Don't work for recognition, but do work worthy of recognition. This has been Ma'am Micaela Santos. Thank you for watching.